Accéntuate is effectively a company invested in infrastructure supplies with a major focus on flooring. We have the majority position within resilient flooring, focusing on supplying floors into infrastructure such as hospitals, schools, and effectively any building that goes up. We may not be in the front end of it, but we certainly would be in the back end of any building. We also have a range of our company focused on chemical supplies, the maintenance products. From the flooring solution provider perspective, we provide the subfloors, the screeds, the adhesives, we supply the floor, and we supply the maintenance products going forward from that. In addition to that, Suffolk also supplies a whole range of specialized chemicals into the mining and related industries, as well as most recently we've done a joint venture arrangement with India's leading water company, Ion Exchange India. Our history is quite a proud one, going back to 1953. Which means that we're in our 60th year of business this year, with the flooring business, Marley Flooring, being the founding business, and has been converted or transformed when we acquired it into Floorworks Africa, which is now the dominant player in the resilient flooring market. In 2006, Accéntuate listed on the Altex of the JSE, and as many companies did at that point in time, we went on to a acquisition drive. As most of you are aware, we acquired a business, Centurion Glass and Aluminium, and we also acquired Interior Wooden Floors. Interior Wooden Floors was very successfully integrated into the flooring business, but unfortunately the glass and aluminium acquisition did not meet our expectations, and we disposed of that in 2010. With that came a number of challenges, and Accéntuate has had to refocus itself onto its original intention when it listed, and we've addressed the fundamentals, which place us in a position now to really start building and to take this business forward into the future. We anticipate, or our strategy involves both organic growth as well as acquisitory growth, and with organic focus into the existing markets. As we're all aware, government has indicated that there is a huge backlog in infrastructure spend, and we've quite cognizant of the fact that should that infrastructure spend materialize, and should government have the mechanisms to deliver on that Accéntuate would be a huge beneficiary of that, operating in the specifically in the areas of health, education and transportation. In addition to that, obviously the water infrastructure side, huge opportunities for growth, and with our arrangement with India, we are in a very fortunate position to be able to draw on expertise from one of the leading water suppliers in the world that has had experience and focus within emerging markets. And that places us in a very unique position to participate in the infrastructure spend that government has.